Welcome to Relax Radio India by your Sushiha. Today's top news is that the global study sees India having edge in COVID-19 vaccines. It will likely take 3 to 4 years to manufacture enough vaccines to cover the world's population. But high-income countries and a few middle-income countries with manufacturing capacity such as India have already purchased nearly 3.8 billion doses. India has used its manufacturing capability to pre-order 600 million doses of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 vaccine and is negotiating for another billion doses, enough to vaccinate at least half the population, according to a new global analysis of Advanced Market Commitments AMCs for experimental vaccines till October 8. Most experimental COVID-19 vaccines require 2 doses. The figures are second only to the US, which has pre-ordered 810 million confirmed doses and has another 1.6 billion under negotiation. It will likely take 3 to 4 years to manufacture enough vaccines to cover the world's population. But high-income countries and a few middle-income countries with manufacturing capacity such as India have already purchased nearly 3.8 billion doses, with options for another 5 billion, showed an analysis of purchasing agreements for COVID-19 vaccines by the US-based Duke Global Health Innovation Center. In terms of number of confirmed cases, the USA has pre-ordered the largest number, 18 million confirmed, another 1.6 billion doses under negotiation, followed by India, 600 million doses confirmed with another 1 billion doses under negotiation, and the European Union, 400 million doses confirmed, another 1.565 billion doses under negotiation. But in terms of percent of population covered by confirmed purchases, Canada has pre-purchased enough vaccine to cover 525% of their population, followed by the UK at 277% of their population, said Andrea D. Taylor, Assistant Director of Programs at the Duke Global Health Innovation Center, who led the analysis. Of course, it is important to remember that most likely only some of the vaccine purchases will come through, depending on regulatory approval, said Taylor. India is producing vaccines to protect the world against COVID-19. Why should not it ensure its own citizens are protected as well? The government is committed to protecting the health of its citizens. So all measures have been taken to ensure we get adequate doses of the vaccines when they are available, said a senior Union Health Ministry official requesting anonymity. Since none of the experimental vaccines yet have regulatory approval, countries are hedging bets by purchasing multiple candidates, and some part of those doses may never materialize. The UK, for example, has made AMCs with 5 different vaccine candidates using 4 different vaccine technologies. Future agreements under discussion by the EU European Union raised that number of vaccine doses to almost 2 billion, while the US, which has pre-ordered doses to cover 230% of its population, could eventually control 1.8 billion doses, about a quarter of the world's near-term supply according to the analysis. Stay tuned till the next news update. Till then, like, share and subscribe our Relax Radio India by your Sushiha. Thank you.